is unpick it all and then remake it using the same pattern. So to re-knit this cardigan, I am going to start from the top, working downwards. And this is going to be a free pattern. So if you follow me for the next few episodes, we will work on this together. Okay? So,
welcome to Sorcha and Lilac, the Island Knitter Podcast TV. I'm Claire, and here you'll find a cozy mix of knitting, music, and stories inspired by Orkney life.
What I need to do is know how much to cast on along the collar. Okay, because the collar then goes into the button band. So I am looking at this, and I think I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. But then taking into account that I have seamed this, so I'm going to cast on 25 stitches. Now, I also need to know, this being where the shoulders came to the end, and this shoulder came to the end, if I count those bumps, the garter bumps, I will know how many rows I need to knit. So let's have a look at this. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now, I'm just checking to see, that's 26 bumps. Let's make it 27 on that side. And as I've pulled along a bit, 28, we'll say 30 of the bump rows, so that's 60 rows in total. So I cast on 25 stitches and garter stitch 60 rows. So let's get casting on. So I've stripped back some of the sleeve, and I'm just rolling up some yarn from that, and we can start on the collar from there. So let's start on the collar. So we need a pair of 4.5mm number 7s, US 7s. Do a little loop to start with, and then with the 4.5mm needles, pull that on firmly, and then I'm going to wind it around 25 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm going to turn it around one more just for... There you go. Yes, so you pull the bottom one through. You pull the bottom one through. Then, with the free piece of yarn, you knit 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm being very careful with this. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, being very careful, 23, 24, 25. And see there, look. So you have knitted 25 across and the other stitches remain on the wire. So you've started with a set of stitches that remain on the wire. So now I'm going to turn, because this is all done on the flat now, and knit across. To form the garter stitch. All right, so don't pull the wire through, leave that as it is, because that's an open-ended seam, so that when you come to do the collar, whole collar, you will use those open stitches at the bottom. So you're going to have to keep it just like that for now. And now you've done 2 rows. To finish off the neck, the back neck band, you need to do another 58 rows. Okay, so let's get knitting. 58 rows of knit.
I love to watch the floral rain descend from a blossom tree. It blankets all my pain, swaddles like a potpourri. Magnolia white as a crane, cherry a morning glory, everything heavenly in its way. I butterfly, a carpet of pink, the sensation of pillowy clouds, skies above the blue sun stream. Because I love to watch the floral rain descend from a blossom tree. It blankets all my pain, swaddles like a potpourri, magnolia white as a crane, cherry a morning glory, everything heavenly in its way.
Don't go just yet. My new book, The Mysterious Queen of the Isles, is out now on Kindle. It's a dramatic retelling of history, full of secrets, intrigue, and the mystery of a forgotten queen. Who is she? The link is in the description. Start your journey today.
Let the silence
I've set up a Ko-fi.com account, so it's kofi.com/Sorcerer and Lilac. So if you want to support me, just buy me a coffee. Would you please buy me a coffee?